Euro against US dollar this week has started with this bullish candle, and it has risen in value. We can see that the price started with this small gap on the Monday, but the price returned back down just to close this gap, and then continue to rise in value. We can see that on a Monday and on a Tuesday, the price formed a bullish breakout above 1.05947, and the price continued to rise in value, and a pretty strong one. We can see that where the price has stopped just at the 1.08639. From here on a Friday, the price is bouncing back down. Now, weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong bullish candle. We can see that where the price has risen in value, going above several of these resistance level and stop it at 1.08639. Slightly retrace back down because of the Friday, which is also the end of the week. A monthly time frame currently shows me, just a minute, a monthly time frame shows me it is a bullish candle, but we are still in the middle of the month, around that starting of the month, so we will not pay attention too much to the monthly time frame candle, because there is too much time that can happen to this candle that the price could go down and also to go up. So for now it is a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value. And if we take a look at what could be the next resistance where the price could stop, we can see the first one is right here where the price has stopped, and the next one will be around this area here, which is around 1.1. We can take it as a round number. So this is the target for the price for the monthly if it continues to rise in value. Weekly time frame shows us that we are currently at the resistance level, so if the price manages to make a bullish breakout, 1.09540, which is very close to 1.1 I have mentioned, is the next target on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame shows me that we are currently in the bullish mode, and it's a pretty strong one, and we have just arrived at this 1.08639 resistance level, and it's a pretty strong one because you can see it is also a weekly one. Now if I go here like this, we will see in the past how the price has behaved around this area of resistance. After the price reaches, we can see that here a resistance level, when the price is moving up in the bullish mode, it retraces back down here. But if it makes a bullish breakout, it will try to reach this area 1.09540, and we can see that here. That is the similar scenario that we could also expect for the price if the price managed to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So the daily time frame shows us there is a high potential, and I also expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels because of this one bullish movement that has happened in this week. So first of all, I will wait for the price to make a bullish breakout here above this area of resistance, the supply zone, and this will be also a trigger that the price will reach this area around 1.094, which is right here. We can see that, and we can also, to make it much more safely, that is 1.0933, where the price has touched also this one here and this one here in the past. So for now, I'm bullish still oriented, waiting for the Monday to see a bullish breakout, and especially I'm waiting to see on the 4-hour time frame how the price is behaving, which I'm sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis. You can also check the premium analysis statistics, and also if you would like to join, feel free to join. The link will be below in the description, so you can also see how to join and also what kind of results you can expect. This is a bullish and a bearish breakouts with the target when the price makes some kind of a movement. For example, like in this example, this is a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and the target was right here. So the price has returned back down just to confirm the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and the price has reached this resistance. These breakouts are available inside the premium analysis, so feel free to check and see you inside. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.